What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I have another monthly update for you guys. I'm happy to do this video because this is a very good month. February was starting to look up, and this is the month of March of 2022, and I made a lot of money. I'm very happy to see this. It's got me very excited. So I only sold 11 items this month, but a lot were big dollar items. So I'm gonna list those out right now, and then I will break down everything afterwards. Volkswagen Jetta headlight, $300 plus $25 shipping. Hyundai Tucson headlight, $400 plus $25 shipping. BMW 4 Series headlight, $700 plus $25 shipping. Volkswagen Jetta air shutter, $200 plus $25 shipping. Toyota Tacoma bumper reinforcement, $75 plus $25 shipping. Volkswagen Jetta headlight, $200 plus $25 shipping. Infiniti QX60 grill, $525 plus $50 shipping. Ferrari F430 headlight, $1,000 plus $30 shipping. Ford Super Duty headlight, $350 plus $25 shipping. Volkswagen Jetta taillight, $60 plus $9 shipping. And a Dodge Ram headlight for $75 plus $20 shipping. So those are the 11 items, and they added up to $3,885. There was $284 paid by the shippers, but it cost $316 to ship everything out. And then minus $500 in eBay fees, I ended up with $3,353 of profit. This has been one of the best months I've ever had on eBay. This came in second place in most profitable months by $100. I was $100 away from breaking my record, which actually happened in March of 2021. So it's kind of funny that both Marches are the most expensive months. I think it has to do with people getting out of debt from Christmas, and it's springtime, people buying stuff for their cars, fixing them up after winter. But either way, the last 2 years, both Marches were the best months that I've ever had. This was number 2. The big difference between this month and the other one was I only sold 11 items this month. Last year, it was 23 items to make the same amount. That came out to $170 average price per item. This month, it was $304 an average item. So as you can tell, most of the items I sold this month were very expensive. Out of the 11, only 3 were under $75. There were 6 items between $200 and $500, and there were 2 over $700. One being a BMW headlight, and the other was that Ferrari F430 headlight that I sold for $1,000. I did videos on both of those headlights, so I will leave those links in the description if you guys have not seen those specific videos. This month, I sold a lot of the higher price items that I had on eBay, so I'm assuming that next month it's going to go down a little bit because I don't have a lot of, high dollar items on eBay, but that's okay because I sold them all this month. I have no complaints. I'm happy to see that I'm selling stuff and I'm making some money. I have been listing a lot more stuff lately, so hopefully I can keep this up through summer. But if you guys have been doing eBay for a while, you know that it does go up and down, fluctuates a lot. So who knows? But once again, this was my second best month ever. I only missed it by $100, but I only did it with 11 items. So it goes to show you guys, if you can get your hands on some of the more expensive items out there, you don't have to sell that much. I'm not sitting here trying to sell 200 items a month to make a couple $1,000s. I did it with 11 items. So if you haven't checked out any of my other videos about where these parts come from or anything else about selling on eBay and parting out cars, check out my stuff, subscribe to me. I'm very happy to be making these videos, so hopefully you guys stick around. Any questions, let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.